Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shubham. I am a Canva verified expert. So in today's video, let me show you how you can create amazing whiteboard animation like this right inside the Canva. So let's do it. So as you can see here, we are on our laptop screen. So all you have to do is just go into this video tab over here and choose the size you like. If you want to create a landscape whiteboard animation video, and you can choose this standard size. And if you want to create an Instagram reel or YouTube shorts as a whiteboard animation, then you can choose this mobile video. I am choosing this standard one. So firstly, we have to create a slide which we want to animate as a whiteboard animation. So just add some text and the doodle art, which is very popular in the whiteboard animation. So just go into this text tab over here and write a text. I am typing a creative whiteboard animation. Just increase the size like this and do some italic thing and just decrease. Now copy this text and write whiteboard. I place it over here, and now again make a copy of it and write animation. Okay, so in this way you can type your own text and experiment with the different font. But one thing I want to suggest, keep your text size is higher, because in the small texts it will not very fine. So just go into this elements tab over here and type down the doodle, which is very popular in whiteboard animation. So explore the different library of Canva, like we have this doodle art. So just place it over here and let's use this idea symbol and make it over here. And also I want to add this rocket animation, which is again very interesting. So you can also use these and find out the right element you like. And I also use this pen over here and just flip it down like this, horizontally flip, so it will like this. Okay, now it's looking amazing. So now you can just click on this share button over here and download this as an image. So select this image PNG, and you can also increase the size of it in the high resolution. If you don't have the Canva Pro, you can check it out the description link, where you will get the Canva Pro as a 45-day free trial by using the description link. So do check it out. So just click on this download button. So once it download, just save this as image, creative image. And now we have to add a different page over here, and just go into this app tab over here and type down the speed paint, and you will get this app. It's free to use. So just choose this image file we have downloaded or created inside this video. Now choose the frame rate. There is a different features available, so you can keep it as what you like, but standard is 60 fps is good. And I am choosing the duration of the 10 minute and add a sketching hand effect and fade in fade out also, but I don't like. I am just adding a sketching hand effect and click on just animate. So it will take some time and turn your image into an amazing sketching effect, which will look like as a whiteboard animation. So let's wait. So as you can see, we have our final animation which we have created in this video. Like when I just play it, so you can see how cool is that. You can also create the same or different by using your own creativity. So just create amazing whiteboard animation for your design project, and also don't forget to tag us on Instagram, Design Talkie. We will definitely review your creation, so don't forget to tag us. And this video is also available in your upload video folder. So in the other project you want to use this previous video, so you can directly use from your media library or uploaded videos. So in the same way, you can also create these amazing whiteboard animation for any kind of project you like. So that's it for the today's tutorial, guys. If you want to level up your design, then check out these videos. It will help you to create animated design right inside the Canva. So that's it. Signing off, Shubham.